Marketing materials for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone SE 4 have been leaked, according to information circulating on the Chinese social media platform Weibo. A tech insider known as Maizi Juni shared promotional content for these upcoming Apple devices. He added that, based on his years of experience, there is more than a 60% chance that the leaked details are accurate. The leaker also suggests that while the design and color of the devices might be correctly depicted, the features and pricing may not be fully confirmed. Apple traditionally keeps its next-generation iPhones tightly under wraps until the official launch. However, this recent leak on Weibo, shared via SmartPre and other leakers, appears to have unveiled some key details about the upcoming iPhone 16 series and the iPhone SE 4. According to the leaked promotional materials, the iPhone SE 4 is set to receive a significant design overhaul. The SE 4 is expected to feature a larger 6.1-inch display, similar to the iPhone 14, complete with a notch at the top to accommodate Face ID. One of the most surprising aspects of the leak is the potential inclusion of the A18 Bionic chip in the upcoming iPhone SE 4, the same processor anticipated to power the iPhone 16 series. If accurate, this would mean the iPhone SE 4 could deliver flagship-level performance at a competitive price, which is rumored to be around $599. While the front design of the iPhone SE 4 is similar to the iPhone 14, there are no details about the rear of the device in the leak. However, there is speculation that it could feature a single 48-megapixel rear camera, which would be capable of delivering flagship-level photo and video quality. Additionally, the back design might align more closely with the iPhone 16, potentially offering a more modern aesthetic. The fourth generation of iPhone SE is expected to feature Apple Intelligence, which indicates a significant upgrade in performance and capabilities compared to previous models. Reports suggest that it might include 8 GB of RAM, enhancing its ability to handle advanced tasks and applications effectively. By the way, what do you think? Would you consider buying the iPhone SE 4 if these rumors prove accurate? Let us know in the comments below. Moving ahead, the leaked information about the iPhone 16 Pro indicates that its design will largely resemble that of the iPhone 15 Pro, with the most notable change being the addition of a dedicated camera button on the lower right side, which is rumored to be a capture button with multiple functionalities. We won't go into details as to what it does. If you want to know more, you can check out the video in the I section. And if you have come this far, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Furthermore, the iPhone 16 Pro is expected to be powered by the A18 Pro Bionic chipset, which would be a logical upgrade from the previous model. The leak also hints at a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera on the iPhone 16 Pro, featuring ultra-thin prism reflection technology. This innovation, possibly enhanced by the A18 Pro's neural network engine, could lead to improved image quality and support features like spatial video for the Apple Vision Pro headset. Color options for the iPhone 16 Pro are rumored to include black, white, blue, and yellow. Notably, there is no mention of a bronze color option, which might be exclusive to the Pro Max model. While the credibility of these leaks hasn't been confirmed, it's wise to approach the information cautiously. If recent reports are accurate, the iPhone 16 series will be launched globally on September 10th. Meanwhile, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to debut in the first quarter of 2025. So what are your thoughts about these latest leaks? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.